Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a bulk.com case of uninspected returns. We're going to open this up and see what's inside, and I'm super excited. Look, we're cordless mic'd now, so we finally got good mic system working, and so hopefully it's going to be great. Hey everybody, we were doing some audio issues with a new audio technique, and for some reason it got a little bit choppy, so bear with me. I do show you everything in the video, and my second video is going to have fantastic audio, so don't worry about that, but stay tuned. You're going to be able to see everything in this video, but forgive us for the audio issues. All right, so we're going to get into this case, but before we get into this case, let's find out exactly what I was looking at when I purchased it. This is a bulk.com case. If you notice the different spelling of bulk, this is a case of women's shoes. Uninspected returns is the category, and that's exactly what it sounds like, uninspected. I paid $142 for it. Shipping for every case from bulk.com is always $30, and then $5.16 a tax, for a total price of $177.16. Has 51 total items in it. I believe that these are mostly kind of Target branded shoes, things that sold at the Target big box stores, so I'm excited about that. Averaged out, this price divided by the 51 is $3.47 per item. And so we're going to get into it. Let's see exactly what kind of condition we've got stuff in. Uninspected returns, I will find things in brand new condition, still in the box. I'll find things that are in new condition, maybe without the box. And then I'll find some stuff sometimes that are totally broken. So we're going to just kind of see what we got going on and how I can sell it. I will be doing a second video on exactly which platforms I'm going to sell everything on. And so stay tuned for that, and you can check that out. So this is what it looks like when I open the box. So they try to fill it as full as they can, but not always. So here is a pair of black high-heeled shoes, a new day. This is the picture about what they look like. So let's see what they look like condition-wise. Now the box is not in the best shape, but it looks like the shoes are worn. Look at that. So these are pretty much useless. So we're gonna just toss those right on the floor in my throwaway pile that I will already start with the very first item. Yay. Throwaway pile. Okay, so perfect time of the year to be selling some rain boots. These are cute unicorn rain boots. They are still new with tags. So garden boots is what they're called, but they're rain rubber boots, kids ones. And then these are some really cute, kind of neat gladiator sandals. I always am going to keep the bag with them because this LP tag will give me an exact description based on the bulk manifest. And so, so I definitely always keep those together. So we've got a pair of those. We may have more than one pair of those, so we're going to keep looking. All right, we've got some flat ones that are similar in style but a little bit different. Those are new with tags on them. And we've got a pair of Mad Love ones. Now these are not attached, so I got to make sure they're definitely the same size. And what
size are those?
Let's see, they are size 7 is what the tag says, and yes, that's what they are, size 7s. So the tags are not attaching them, so I probably wouldn't call these new. They would probably be like new in condition. Then I've got a pair of really cute black ones that still do have the tag on them, size 6. If you want any of these, feel free to check out my Poshmark store for the location of them, or you can email me directly if I have not posted them yet, because sometimes the videos get out faster than I can post them. Here's another box, universal thread. These are cute. So these are brand new even with the box. So most of the universal thread ones I'm going to...
Size 8?
Yes, that's a size 8. Here is a kid's pair of Cat and Jack shoes, size 12 in boys, it looks like. Here is a pair of size 7 rubber boots, which look like they're great in new condition unless your name is not Henry. Look at the bottom. So evidently somebody bought them, labeled them, and then returned them. So, Henry, if you need a pair of size 7 rubber green boots.
Might get Goo Gone, might take it off.
Yeah, might be. Well, yes. Hey, comment below if you know what will take that. It looks like permanent marker off the bottom of these rubber boots, because if I can sell them, you know, I will not sell them new, I promise. But if I can sell them, it would be great. But, you know, I can't exactly sell them if they say Henry on the bottom of them.
Let's sell it to Henry.
Unless your name is Henry, yes. All right, these are a pair of sandals, 8.5. They're taped ridiculously together. I will untape these later. I don't want to do it now for fear that I would probably rip them open. I'm looking for the match to this guy. I haven't found it yet. All right, well, here's a set of just like these shoes, size 8. Those are taped together. They have fun with their tape. All right, what size is this shoe? 11? Ooh, look, I found the match. And we've got some more of those as well. Size 10. One thing that's really nice about bulk and that's different from via trading is that generally you're going to find a variety of different sizes rather than via you get a lot that are the same size. So here's all these gray ones. Let me move these over here. But we've got a pair of nice red pumps that are ridiculously taped together. So, and I'm sure this tape is going to leave a residue on my little suede shoe. So if you have an idea on how to get rid of that, please let me know in the comment section below and what works best for you. Just Lysol wipes, Goo Gone, you know, what works for that. Will I be ruining the shoe if I use any of those things? Here's a pair of flip-flops. Those are size 7s. Here's a pair of kids' toddler shoes, size 7.
Does the tape damage the shoes?
Sometimes. It depends on the style of the shoe. That's what I'm worried about with those suede ones. So I'm definitely going to go through in my second video, pull the tape off, and then show you the condition of what it looks like when we get everything pulled off. So here's a cute pair of sandals. Those look like they're in pretty decent condition. So when I first started getting uninspected returns from bulk, I was really pleased with the condition of them. But then as time has wore on, it seems a little bit less and less from them. And so you have to be a lot more careful when you get shoes in that condition. So there's some more sandals, jelly sandals. Now see, this is a nice pair. I like that condition of that pair. But some of the other ones are a little bit questionable what condition I'll sell them in. Here's another pair of Cat and Jack shoes. I think they're similar to the ones I already pulled out. They are. Those are size 12s as well. Here's a cute pair of sandals. I've sold these really well. These are universal thread, size 8.5. Pair of girls' tennis shoes. Let's see what they actually. Okay, look at these. They're very warped because of the way they're in. They're light up ones, but look at the bottom of the shoes. They've clearly been worn outside. So those would not be new. Those would probably be ones that I just donate in the local donate bins. Probably wouldn't be ones that I would sell just because they are clearly used. There's another pair of ladies' sandals. Look at these. Those are pretty fancy. They're like kind of a metallic-y silver and black, size 8. Another pair of rubber boots, but look, not for Henry. So rubber boots kind of in the front. They're pink, got a pink shade to them. So hear me well, I'm using a new audio system, and so if it cuts out, just bear with us. We're gonna, sounds really great. It is a new wireless audio setup. Here's some really, look at those tiny feet. Tiny feet. 51 items. Okay, here's. Let's see.
So like 100 there.
102. All right. Size 11. Flops and their crazy tape. Drives me crazy, that tape. I don't know if the store does that or if bulk does that. I have a guess that maybe the store does that. No, they don't tape them together. Here's a pair of like gold pumps. And like I said, I will take everything out of the bags. Look at the shoes to everybody in my second. What I intend on pricing. Metallic-y shoes, tennis shoes. Got a couple more pairs in there of those. Let's see another pair right here. These ones are 9.5. These ones are smaller than that, clear 6s. Then we got a size 6 flops here. Some velvety red pumps. A pair of those out. There. I will get and on Pickin.com website, just like it's spelled, hooked on Pickin with no G on the end, that you'll get a little bit of a discounted rate for you. So the price I'm going to tell you is going to be more of a Poshmark price because I have to pay fees on Poshmark. But if you're going to get a little bit of a better deal. And so if you see this video and you don't list it anywhere, we can set this out and you can pay right through Hooked on breast. Look at those. They're like metallic holographic sandals. Those are crazy. Gotta have them. Look at those bad boys.
Got to have.
They're brand new. They haven't been walked outside on. And here's some cute 9.5 heels. Ones. More ones. There's a pair of white ones. Yeah. The thing about posting on Poshmark is because I've style, all I have to say get them listed maybe on my orders. I've got liquidators. Size 11. Another pair of those gray ones here. We're getting to the bottom. I've got a pair of these sandals. I have a pair in multiple different kinds, but these are a size 6. Here's another pair of universal threads. in here. Let's see what these look like. Pull out a pair that look just like those. So now you kind of have an idea. Inspected pay $77.16. Each is averaged out to be $3.47. I'm really about the condition of a lot of these. The tape does to the condition of some of them, and so we'll kind of move forward from there. But check out my second video. I'll shoot me out of the realm of the posh fees and send direct. I got a fun thing. So check that out. Hopefully this cake turns and Jesus won. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.